Natesh. Welcome to the Bollywood Talk Show on IWM Buzz. This is your host Shubhajit Ghosh, and
Hi. Hi,
most welcome
Subhojit.
on the show, man. It's a pleasure. And first of all, am I talking to the Hyderabad Times most desirable women list? May say one of the most desirable women in South India right now. Am I talking to her?
Thank you so much. Yes, you are, maybe.
Lovely, lovely, lovely. I love the confidence.
Yes.
That's how we go, and that's how we start. You got to tell me something. We will obviously be talking about you, your journey in the movie so far, and the way forward. But एक चीज मुझे बताओ आप, ये जो नाम है आपके मूवी का, सोलो ब्राथुके So Better. Please, pardon me if I'm.
Wow, nice. I'm so
Is
glad
that
that you
correct
got it.
pronunciation?
It's a Telugu.
Good,
It
good,
is. So good.
Lovely,
Yeah.
lovely, lovely. So that's like a win in itself. सोलो ब्राथू के
Yes.
सो बेटर, इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि ये जो सिंगल लाइफ है, ये सिंगल लाइफ इज अ लॉट बेटर देन मैरिड लाइफ एंड
Yeah.
रिलेशनशिप. पर्सनली
Yes.
कितना मानती हो आप
That's
इसको?
what. Yeah, actually, you know what? If I have to tell you the truth,
Yeah, yeah.
I am in that zone now. Solo life is so better. It's
Yeah.
actually very better.
Yeah. But
Yeah.
when we are in our teenage, the first butterflies that we have, when we probably are in our school or in our college, that the guy
Yeah.
that we see for the first time, जिसको देख के वो एक मशी फीलिंग आता है अंदर से, तो वैसा फीलिंग कभी हुआ है स्कूल में या कॉलेज में? I'm not really sure whether
Yeah.
you've been in a co-ed school or college or what, but वैसा वाला feeling
No,
बचपन
if
में
it is
कितने बार
not-
हुआ?
If it is not happened, that means I'm not normal. It has happened. It happens to everybody.
Yeah,
should
that means you would be lying.
It should happen.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd be lying. Yes, of course. And I think that's like one
Yeah.
of the most beautiful phases of anybody's life.
Yeah.
Teenage
Yeah.
and when you're in college or school, when
Yeah.
you look at
Yeah.
boys,
Yeah.
and especially
Yeah.
when you're watching some kind of TV shows and you have a
Yeah.
crush and
Yeah.
all that.
Yeah.
So I think, I mean, that's
Very
actually
well, and
like a lovely phase. Yeah.
yes, and going by your looks, going by your charm, a lot of people must have tried different things to impress you. But एक चीज मुझे बताओ कि that one striking thing that you probably remember, somebody probably overdid to kind of come to your attention. ऐसा कभी कुछ हुआ interesting चीज आपके साथ?
कोई भी नहीं किया
So
है.
nobody put any kind of
No,
weird
nobody's
effort.
done that
Come on,
to
yeah,
me.
I cannot believe that.
No, definitely not. First of all, I'm like probably very. I think people used to be very scared of,
Yeah,
scared to
Yeah.
approach me for
Yeah.
stuff.
yeah.
So maybe I don't know. Maybe I'm very
So there-
scary
so there's that-
as a person. I
so
probably
there's that
come
cloud
across as a
of
person
fear.
who's very kind of. I don't know.
So you are saying that you probably have that cloud
Yes.
of fear around you, जिसकी वजह से
Yeah.
everybody is like, इससे दूर रहना है या थप्पड़ वप्पड़ ना मार दे, ऐसा कुछ ना हो जाए भगवान के लिए. तो that's what it is. But I'm pretty sure perceptions will change with time. You gotta tell me something
No,
that
it
you
probably be like I'm just friendly with everybody. Yeah.
yeah.
Not thappad
Yeah, you're
vappad
saying
and all that, but maybe I'm like too friendly with everyone. So
Yeah.
I'm like probably very friendly with everybody that
Yeah.
people are scared that where probably gonna get affected or something. I don't know.
So we need to draw the line.
Yeah.
That's what they realize. Very important. Nabha, I must ask you this thing that as far as the information that I have, you started very early in the entertainment industry, be it modeling or etc.
Yeah.
But what was that one
Yeah.
turnaround moment that you feel that you had probably, जिससे you probably feel कि अब तक it has been the most important aspect and turning point of your life? अगर ऐसा कुछ moment, do you feel that there is any in particular?
I think the day when I decided that I'm not going to be, I'm an engineering graduate, so I decided that I'm not going
Yes.
to, pursue this and I'm going to pursue something else. And I didn't know actually what I'm going
Yeah.
to do. But
Yeah.
it kept coming to me in phases. I kept trying different
Yeah.
things. I
Yeah.
tried modeling and
Yeah.
dancing, everything. But then it kept
Yeah.
coming to me in phases where like, okay, I'm going to be an actor. That's
Yeah.
probably the most,
Yeah.
what do I say? Like, whatever, the Gyan wala moment for me that like, okay,
Yeah.
this is it. And I stuck to it like so, with so,
Yeah.
with so much of, what do I say? What is the word for
Conviction.
that? Yeah, with conviction.
I think you're trying to say conviction and belief. Yeah.
Yeah, with conviction that I've just been doing it just like, living it.
Yeah. Well, living the dream is something that we all want to do, and I'm very glad and happy that you are living your own dream. But ये dream जो है ना, dream और हकीकत के बीच में there is this very important line which is we call the practical world. Practical जिंदगी में I'm pretty sure when you say that you come from an engineering background. Now there are people, there are family, there are relatives. It is never an easy task. Ask me, because I was doing my MBA and I decided to quit it, and then I suddenly came into something totally different, into the anchoring world. So how did you actually, kind of convince your parents, relatives कि नहीं मम्मी, नहीं पापा, नहीं फूफा जी, नहीं चाचा जी, मुझे ये नहीं करना, मुझे acting में जाना है and I want to make my name over there. How did that convincing process start?
Actually it was quite easy, because my mom was the first person who was even convinced before I was. She was like, no, you can't do, you shouldn't be like doing your engineering or anything like that. You should be doing something else, because ever since I was a kid, I've been doing this. I've been dancing, I've been going on the stage and like, all these things. So she was the person who was super convinced. But my dad was more like, okay, you finish your graduation, you have your whatever, you have one certificate in your hand, and you can do anything you want after that.
Typical Indian dads whatsoever.
Quite peaceful in my house, in fact.
Yeah.
But he was like very supportive, and everybody's been very supportive in my house, that they've stood by me like a rock. They're like, okay, it's okay. Like, because I've been very choosy about my movies and the scripts and everything like that. They're like, it's fine, like whatever you want to do, whatever you're happy with. So that's how they are.
Well, they stood by you like a rock, and I'm pretty sure they must have believed in the fact that this rock will definitely turn into diamond one day for them. एक चीज I want to talk about the movie. It's a very interesting title. ये मैंने आपको बोला कि सोलो ब्रातो के so better. ये मूवी के the Indian audience is such ना कि whatever we see in movies, I mean almost 60 to 70% of the youth, they do get a bit influenced. तो आपको क्या लगता है कि इसके वजह से because of the movie or whatever, I've not seen the movie yet, but after seeing the movie, a lot of youth will be convinced कि यार मतलब शादी वादी हटाओ, साइड में हटाओ, सिंगल रहो, जियो, खुश रहो. Do you think that the youth is going to be convinced about this fact a lot more?
I don't know about that, because see, come on, there's so many movie comes which preaches even more, and I don't think that'll stay for more than a week. But I think the movie is more of an entertainment than just the the preaching factor. It's a complete entertainer. It has so much of masala and fun and love and laughter, and even the album has become a very big hit in down south. So it's a proper 100% commercial entertainment movie, which is perfect for people to come back to theaters, because this is the first movie first big movie which is releasing after the pandemic. There's and all over the south, it's going to be like a proper correct kind of a movie where people decide, okay, this is going to be fun, this is going to be paisa vasool, I'm going to go and watch the movie. So that's how the movie is going to be placed.
You mentioned a very important interesting factor right now. ये जो पैसा वसूल वाला factor है, it is basically the driving force behind which the audience, they tend to go to the movies and enjoy the spectacle in a 70 mm screen. But obviously because of the pandemic and whatever nonsense that has been happening in 2020, the overall thing has been delayed. But do you think that in today's time people are still being wary about यार मतलब थिएटर जाएंगे उससे अच्छा OTT में घर पे बैठ के देख लेते हैं? So do you think it might come off as a difficult task for your movie, no matter how good it is? I love the confidence.
In fact, what I feel is, as an audience, as a cinema audience and consumer, I've been waiting to go to the theaters. I am like done with sitting at home. I've done that for like about 6 months, 7 months, and I've stopped watching anything on TV, because I know that there is going to be theaters and movies going to come out. I'm like I'm consuming all my energy to the theater, and that's I know for the fact that people are feeling the same way. And also for another, maybe the confidence is such that there are people who are moving around already. There are restaurants, there are malls, and I'm traveling in the airport regularly. I see people. The people are like, okay, they're adjusting to the new normal. They're taking the precautions and they want to come to the theaters. I know for sure. And I'm like really, because especially Telangana and Hyderabad, our Telugu audience are people who love movies. They want to watch movies every week. So they are like, trust me, they just, this is like festival for all of us, like including me.
I love the passion that the people in the southern part of the country have for movies, and their stars, their favorite actors and actresses. I mean, it's unimaginable. I mean, I've seen that in Bollywood as well. But I think the sheer passion and I would say unconditional love that the people of the South have for the stars is absolutely something that cannot be compared to any part of the world. I must have this fun segment before I end this conversation. It's kind of an interesting I would say rapid fire kind of a thing जिसके बिना हम लोग ये खत्म नहीं कर सकते episode. So before getting to the fun part, only one deal. जितने भी सवाल होंगे आपको बिना सोच के फटाफट जवाब देने हैं. That is the point. Is that cool? Are we good to go?
Okay, fine. Okay, cool.
Don't worry, I'll not put you any spot of bother. Let's go forward. Okay, so Nabha, your first question, your most favorite moment in your professional life so far, if you had to pick up just one moment. There are so many.
First time when I faced the camera.
That the first one is always special, and that's the beginning of many wonderful things. Yes, nice. Okay.
Yes.
That one thing that you miss the most about your childhood right now?
That I could eat how much ever I want. Now I can't eat at all.
Now, खाने के साथ, there's a lot of workout, discipline, there's that, वगैरह. I totally get the emotions. Okay. This is in some way or the other related to your movie, and the next one as well. A piece of advice you would like to give to all the single girls out there.
Solo brother ke so better.
Nice. जवाब भी हो गया, movie का promotion भी हो गया. क्या चाहिए और? A piece of advice you would want to give to a girl who is in a relationship or married. Now it's the other way around, the other side of the coin.
Already? You should have stayed solo, but now you're already in it. You probably have to get used to it.
Nice. I love the way you put it, Amma. Okay. This is a very innocent kind of a cute question. Your first ever celebrity crush?
Shah Rukh Khan.
Even now. Reason of heartbeat for so many. Now, how sweet.
Yes.
Okay, so talking about sweets, the next one is about sweets. Ice cream or gulab jamun, if you had to pick just one for the rest of your life.
Oh God, actually, for the rest of my life?
Yes.
Ice cream. Gulab jamun is too sweet, I can't eat it for the rest of my life.
Yeah, so ice cream will balance, the sweet too. Okay,
ice
so
cream
ये
has
सवाल तो मुझे answer. So you can try the variations and try different things. Interesting.
Yeah.
Next one, इसका मुझे answer already पता है. Shah Rukh Khan's hand wave, this hand wave gesture, or Salman Khan's shirtless act. Just one.
You know the answer.
Yeah, I know it now, but obviously when the team prepared, they had no idea. But anyway, I'll go with that one.
Yeah.
Okay. That one thing that pisses you off instantly.
When I'm hungry, whatever. When the food is not ready, when I'm hungry.
So when you are hungry, then you get hangry. So it's like a combination of hungry and angry.
When I'm hungry, I'm angry. I can use it in a movie. It's like a dialogue.
Exactly. Please use it. Okay, looking forward to that. Okay. The first thing that you see in a man.
Can I say?
It can be anything. It can be a physical attribute, quality, whatever.
Like sense of humor.
Interesting. Okay.
Sense of humor.
Yes, very important because that's what keeps you going all the time. ये एक काफी interesting सवाल है.
100%.
Ever had a crush on a co-star? You need not name the co-star अगर कभी भी ऐसा कुछ हुआ हो, लेकिन इतना तो बता ही सकती हो कि अगर ऐसा कुछ हुआ है कि नहीं पहले. Tiny mean innocent वाला crush भी चलेगा.
I don't know.
Not be very serious. I just got the answer and I don't know. Huh? You don't need to tell any further. I got the answer and I don't know.
Yes.
Okay, so the next one is it's basically you got to imagine yourself in hypothetical situations. So if you woke up in the morning like the following actresses, what would you do first?
Okay.
If you woke up as Deepika Padukone.
Oh God. Oh, I was not prepared for this.
Yeah.
I want to go and be Shanti Priya in Om Shanti Om.
And no wonder, you know, you will get your Om over there as well in Shah Rukh Khan.
Yeah. Oh
Okay.
God. Why not?
The next one is if you woke up in the morning as Vidya Balan, what would you do?
Steal her energy. She has like so much of energy on screen.
She's amazing as a human being and amazing as an actress. Every form of compliment is an understatement for her. The next one is Taapsee Pannu.
Taapsee Pannu. What would I do? Ask for a tappad?
Maybe call Anubhav Sinha and say, exactly,
if I was Taapsee Pannu. Okay.
Yes.
I don't know. Literally don't know.
I just gave you a hint. Maybe just call Anubhav Sinha and say, I'm ready for Thappad 2. Come on, let's get going.
Thappad 2. Yeah, baby. Yeah, Thappad 2. Ready. Use the box office. Yeah.
Absolutely. Okay, the last one in this part, Kareena Kapoor Khan. So if you woke up in the morning as Kareena Kapoor Khan,
oh, Bebo. Everything
Bebo mein Bebo.
First thing I'll probably kiss Temu.
You know, somewhere down the line, I was expecting this answer because Kareena Kapoor, when we hear her name for the first time, अभी ऐसा ही होगा कि तैमूर का ही ख्याल आता है सबसे पहले दिमाग में. So we cannot really deny this part. And ये भाई साहब का birthday भी था कुछ दिन पहले, so I mean probably just celebrate, you know, his birthday. Amazing, wonderful.
Belated birthday.
Okay. Belated birthday, absolutely. Okay. ये last three सवाल is going to be like the climax round of this. If God ever gave you a superpower which you can probably utilize for the rest of your life, what would that one superpower be that you would like to pick for yourself?
Eat and not put on weight at all. That's going to be my whole life's agenda. I want to eat as much as I can.
That's like not a superpower, but still you just made... Exactly. I mean, that's not a superpower, but you just made it look like a superpower. What else do you want?
It is. What else do you want? That's all I want in life.
You just don't care about fitness. कुछ भी सोचने का नहीं, बस खाओ पियो,
नहीं अभी
पे जाओ, मजे करो. That's all.
वो हो जाएगा. अभी if this superpower I have means I don't have to worry about going to the gym or anything.
Exactly.
Everything I'll manage.
Exactly, and no need to be hungry as well. Okay, interesting.
No,
ये interesting सवाल है. Yes, ever stalked your ex on social media? कभी किया है आपने?
Yeah, all the time, mostly.
अगर आप बोलती मुझे कि मैंने जिंदगी में नहीं किया है, then अंदर से अंदर मुझे feeling आता है यार she is hiding something. I love the honesty. Thank you so much. Your fans will appreciate it as well. And last one before we wrap up the episode for today, Nabha, and let you go, is the fact that one compliment जो आप बहुत ज़्यादा सुनती हो अपने बारे में and you feel very happy and content कि यार I mean मतलब अंदर से दिल खुश हो जाता है. What is that one compliment?
Oh God, okay. I actually like compliments. I don't think there is one single thing which makes me happy.
So I'm calling you right now.
So maybe if I have to
give you a few compliments. Beautiful, gorgeous, smart, confident. So which is the one that is giving you the most happiness? अगर मैं अभी आपको compliment
smart, confident, talented.
क्या बात. And what about the one that you receive the most? You know, I mean, from your fans, बोलो या your colleagues.
When my people call me or message me or say that they really enjoyed what I did in a movie, that makes me the most happy. Yeah. And that happens like they say it out loud.
Yeah. And dig bhi jata hai. If somebody is actually appreciating genuinely, then you actually feel the energy and the vibe. I wish you all the best for Solo Bratu Ke So Better. And I hope
Thank
that
you,
after
Subhajit.
people see the movie, you know, they actually get that feeling कि हाँ वाकई ही में Solo Bratuke is actually so better. I wish you all the best for everything in life. Have a lovely Christmas going forward.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
But that only time will tell. And it's a pleasure to have you on the Bollywood Talk Show today. I'm looking forward to many more wonderful episodes with you in the future. This was a kick-ass one. Thank you so much for giving me your time.
It was lovely talking to you too. Bye.
It's a pleasure. Thank you so much. Stay in touch. Take care and God bless. That's a wrap on the Bollywood Talk Show today on IWM Buzz. We just had Nava Natish for an interesting episode. Go out there in the movie, shower your love for Solo Bratuke is so better, and keep supporting this lovely lady. Thank you so much. That's me signing off. Subhajit Ghosh. Thank you.